Welcome, Techatonions. Today I want to make a video on the jumping poison team in Axie Infinity, or jumping lassen, or backdoor poison, or just poison team, whatever you want to call it. And this is mostly for my scholars because most of you guys are using this team and have questions on how to play it because some of you guys never played Axie Infinity. So let's jump into the game quickly and I'll kind of talk my way through the strategy on what you have to do. Before we jump, let's take a look at the team. So our plant card, it's 59 health, which is good. You're looking for maybe 61 health, which is max for plant. Speed, 31. We don't really have any cards that require us to attack last, so that doesn't really matter. We got pumpkin, which when you use it and your shield doesn't break, you draw a card. We got energy gain. We got another energy gain when you combo them. And then you got a poison, which is yam right over here. And each time you attack or you get attacked, you apply poison on the target. Next is our reptile. So I like to keep this reptile mid lane. We got poison application. We got target the first enemy, so you could jump and attack the first enemy without having to focus on enemy's tank. You got deal 130 damage if the Axie you're attacking is faster. And then you got poison application as well. And with the next reptile, same thing. You got poison, you could skip the closest enemy and target the enemy behind it. You have a stun, and you have another poison. So let's jump into a quick arena game. Alright, so here we go. So what you want to do first is check out the enemy's Axies. You got a beast, so this beast, when it gets its combo, it's gonna pretty much one-shot any Axie you have. And then you kind of have like this healing plan that they have, which could be a little problem eventually. But what you want to do usually in the beginning, I like to just skip my turn. Nothing much happens. Turn 1, the enemy skip their turn as well. And now we got a little bit options. So we got Gas Unleash, and what it does is applies poison each time this card is used to attack or defend. So now your question is, will the enemy attack? And I'm not sure, but I'm still gonna use it. And then I'm going to use October Treat just so I could soak up some damage if the beast does attack. Otherwise, we're just gonna end turn. And yes, the beast is attacking. And as you could see, usually the beast crits you pretty much and one-shots you. And so just because I had a pumpkin, I was able to survive that damage. And then I was able to put 4 stacks of yam on the beast. Now here we go again. I got yam right here. And I'm kind of starting to gain my combo. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use Smart Shot, which you skip the closest target if there are 2 or more enemies remaining. I'm going to use Venom Spray, Barb Strike, and Chomp. And then on my next Axie, I'm going to use Sneaky Raid and Barb Strike. And what this does, Barb Strike applies poison to target when played in a chain. And how a chain works in this game is when both your Axies use the same card, different 2 Axies use the same card like Barb Strike, they will apply poison. Now if you use Barb Strike on one Axie 2 times, they won't do anything. It's kind of confusing at first, but it makes sense later on down the road. And as you guys could see right there, I pretty much killed his beast right there. So now we're really ahead in the game because the beast was his main damage. So here we need to focus on the Aqua because that's his next damage dealer. And we have Sneaky Raid, we have Venom Strike, and we have Surprise Invasion. Because the Aqua speed is 57, and which is faster than my reptile, I will do 130 damage. I'm not gonna go into depth what like those Axies on top mean 1, 2, 3, 4. This video is more about how to play this poison team. Okay, 1 health. We'll work with that. So now we're just gonna use pretty much his Aqua is gonna kill me, so I'm just gonna use Smart Shot, Venom Spray, and Chomp to finish that, and it's gonna be a 1-1 situation. Which is kinda okay and kinda not, because he has heals, I don't. But I am faster, so I will be going first, and this is not something that I wanted to draw. I'm gonna keep 1 Barb Strike so I could kinda combo it later on with Chomp. So there you go, I got Chomp. So what I'll do is I'll use Venom Spray, Barb Strike, and then Chomp. Apply stun to an enemy when comboed with at least 2 cards. And I could even use Smart Shot for extra damage, because he'll win the long-term game, so I gotta damage him as much as I can. And I kind of messed up here. I should have played Chomp last, and his attack would miss. But because I'm trying to talk to you guys, I'm not good at focusing. So things are not looking good for us. Things are not looking good for us. So let me show you this again. When I use Smart Shot, Barb Strike, Chomp, Chomp is always last. It's going to... Oh, I didn't even play Chomp. Oh my god. Anyways. It is a fail on my part. And it's a defeat. But at least you guys understand the basics of the cards. And that's what I was going for. Sometimes, you know, enemies' cards are going to be better or they're going to draw better. And there's nothing really you could do to win. Yes, there's little few things I could have done differently, but mostly the outcome would be the same. Because that plant got the heal, it got the damage. Anyways, guys, hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully it taught you something about the team comps, how the cards work with each other, what cards do what. And that was the whole point of this video. If you ever need help, I stream nightly from 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time till about 1, 2 in the morning, my time, on Twitch and on Trovo. Links will be down in the description. Check them out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you all that follow me and subscribe to me on Twitch and Trovo. Thank you guys for your support. I am hiring scholars. If you need a scholarship, comment down below. Hit that like video. I'll have my Discord down below as well. Join the Discord. Fill out the application. Let me know when you finish the application and I'll take a look. Like always, guys, I'll be back with another video.